you just relax. पीछे चेक कर लो. 9. 1 second. Close your eyes. Say happy birthday Manju, हाथ खुल जाएगा. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is free. Come on, clap for him. Look into my eyes, Harish. Sleep deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. Perfectly relaxed, state of relaxation, perfectly relaxed. The entire body from head to toe, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲು ಬೆರಳಿನವರೆಗೂ is becoming a perfect steel body. So just lift him and make him sleep on the chair. We are there with you, nothing to worry, sir. We are holding on to you. Perfectly relaxed. Yes, sir, hold the chair. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಚೇರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sri madam, please come here. And you don't have to worry. Entire body will take the load. Madam, ಮೆತ್ತಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Come on, clap for her. You stand on the chair, both the legs. Perfectly. Yes, come on, clap for her.